So we're gonna start standing for this snack. We're gonna be at the top of the mat. Separate your feet about the distance of your hips. Let's just balance the feet. Make sure that we feel stable from side to side. And now we're gonna place our hands on our hips, transfer the weight over to the left, bend the right knee, flexing the foot, and then draw the right thigh back, keeping it parallel. Gently fold the tail under, really isolating the work of that right quadricep. Good, 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 good. Holding it here for 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to turn the leg out, coming into external rotation and just lifting that leg a little higher. And we're going to pulse it for 3, 2, 1. Hold it at the top. Micro bend the left leg. Pull up nice and tall. And then come back to parallel. Hugging that hamstring in. Tuck the tail under to really isolate that movement. And then lower down. We're going to heel toe the feet out. Start to circle the hips. Let the arms be free to float and express as they need to. You have an opportunity here to create textures when we're moving. So I'm going to give you a word. Thick. And just notice how that might change the quality of your movement. Coming back to standing, let's heel toe the feet together. Hands on the hips, shifting the weight over to the right. Pick up the left foot, flex the foot, and then draw the thigh back. Put a little micro bend in the standing leg here. Ask the buttocks to drop towards the left knee, and you'll start to feel more of an isolated activation through your hamstring here. And we'll just build some time in it. Holding here for 3, 2, growing tall, and 1. Now we're going to turn it out, coming into a little attitude, a baby attitude, and we're going to pulse it for just a few movements. 3, 2, 1. Pause at the top. Good, good, good. And then slowly bring it back to parallel. Retuck the tail and set the leg down. Heel toe the feet out. Put a little micro bend in the legs. I'll give you another word. Light. Create a sense of lightness in your movement. Good. And then coming back to the top of the mat. So we'll inhale, draw the arms up. Exhale, hinging at the hips, coming into a forward fold. Heel toe the feet apart and just start to sway your hips from side to side here. We're going to plant the hands at the top of the mat and just walk the feet back, finding our way to a down dog. But not just any down dog. We're going to find our down dog, lengthen the spine, reset the hands, shift into your left, palm pressing down, ball of the foot pressing down, left hip to left side. And switching sides, just swing those hips to the other side. Almost angle your right heel out, and you can feel this gentle inner rotation of your femur head. It can be delicious. And then coming down onto your mat. Extend the legs out nice and long.